Hi, this is Tom Akins reporting for the BBB Network in Bangkok, and I'm here today at NZI Insurance. I'm here with Mr. Nick Kennewell, who's the country manager for NZI. Nick, good to be here today with you.
Good afternoon to you.
And Nick's going to tell us a little bit about NZI today and their operations here in Thailand. And first, Nick, can you tell me, how long has the company been established here in Thailand?
The Thailand office has been here since 2001. The parent company started life back in the UK and New Zealand back in 1985, but our branch here since 2001. We've 17 staff here in the healthcare department, looking at a mixture of locals and expats, looking after the over 3,000 individual clients that we have here now. We've got offices around the UK, other parts of Asia, through to South Africa and the Middle East. So we're a big organisation.
And this is your only office here in Thailand?
This is the only Thailand branch, yeah.
Okay, great. And your company, from an insurance standpoint, you cater to just individuals or businesses, organizations?
Yeah, very much so. I mean, broadly speaking, we deal with both, Tom, but about 70% of our business is based on a corporate basis. So through to household multinational names that you'd be aware of, down to smaller local companies, through to international schools here. Individuals are an important part of our business here. Particularly here in Thailand, because they have to realise that if they don't do anything about healthcare here, then they're pretty much on their own when it comes to hospital costs. And many of the expats come from a background and a situation where they're used to some government fallback.
Right.
That doesn't exist here.
Right. Yeah, I've looked at a lot of different health plans over the years from different companies, and a lot of them look really complicated to me. I mean, what are your plans like?
Yeah,
is that complicated as well? Or?
No, we appreciate that's the case, and we went out of our way fairly early on to make sure that we got some pretty clear, concise, easy to understand plans, and we set them out color coded through the brochure of the book. We make it clear what's included and importantly what's excluded. So, it's pretty easy to follow.
Now, Nick, I've got to ask you. I've looked at a lot of different healthcare plans over the years, and some of them look like they're pretty rigid as well as complicated. I mean, what kind of flexibility do your plans have?
Yeah, I mean that's an accusation that's levelled at the insurance industry in general. I think it's fair to say, and we were very aware of that. So we've gone to great lengths to ensure that we can, particularly around corporate groups, we can tailor our plans to suit whatever they like. We can increase limits, we can decrease limits, we can bring things in that they may be enjoying in another current insurer at the moment, and we can play with that. So pretty much all the time we're looking to give them what they've got already, and in fact improve on that as well. And it also brings us back to the individuals, where we've got a position where we have 4 plans for individuals. So you can kind of start off at the very basic level and then move up through the packages, and the more you spend, the bigger the benefits, but it's there for people to choose.
Right. Is it easy to get started with a policy from your company?
Yeah. Individuals in particular, we don't have any problems around application process. There's a fairly short application to complete. You get some money across to us, that's important. We get the thing on the books in no time at all. Corporate groups, even easier. It's just a question of a census of the amount of employees and a bit of background and sort of dates of birth, that kind of area. And again, we just put that on the books electronically. By all means, go to our website, have a look at the contact numbers and details there. If you already have an insurance agent or provider or broker that you deal with, by all means speak to him, because they'll be familiar with us also.
Great. Thanks a lot, Nick, for the interesting information about insurance here in Thailand.
My pleasure.
And this, again, is Tom Akins reporting for the BBB Network in Bangkok.